Hey guys, did you know? Welcome to the Sienna, just under 2,400 square feet. Hey guys, not only does this home have a full open concept style living room and kitchen, but it is a well-equipped kitchen. What do you think? This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and did I mention, comes equipped with a theater room. Hey guys, did you know that the Sienna is not only a major player here at the Festival of Homes, but we are actually currently building it right down the street. So if you would like more information about this home or any of our BIC floor plans, call this number.